What's up YouTube? My truck makes a squeak when you're sustaining 2,000 RPMs. So I'm going to replace the tensioner and belt with this Gates kit from Rock Auto. First thing you want to do is detension the tensioner and remove the belt, which you can do with a 3/8 ratchet, but I'm going to use this because my ratchet's a flex head. So you stick that in there, pull it that way, pop the belt right off. Step 1 complete. Remove the belt from all the pulleys and take note of the belt routing. Oh yeah, look at my old belt. Push it off the tensioner. There we go. Boom. Alright, here's the new belt. Time to pop the tensioner off, which just requires a 13mm socket. Now that's off. Too easy. I have an old Dayco unit, which I'm pretty sure was the OEM supplier. Now installation is the reversive removal. Also very easy. You want to make sure that tab goes in the hole. That's good and tight. So I have it basically routed around everything at the top. I'm going to come up from the bottom, feed it around the AC compressor, then back up to the tensioner, and then that should do it. Alright, now it looks like it's around everything beautifully. Right now I'd be hearing a lot of annoying chirps and squeaks, but that's all gone. So I think this really did the trick, the new belt and tensioner. So if you're experiencing the same problems, try it out. 60 bucks at Rock Auto. And don't forget to slap that like and hit that subscribe button for more sweet stuff. So yeah, later.